Replacing your Lincoln key fob battery is a simple DIY task. First, identify your fob model. Most Lincoln fobs have a plastic case with a key blade. Locate the seam or release button and gently pry the two halves apart using a plastic pry tool or flat screwdriver. Some fobs have hidden screws, so apply even pressure to avoid cracking. Once open, remove the old CR232 battery, noting which side is up plus. Dispose of the old battery properly. Insert the new CR232 battery in the same orientation, ensuring the contacts align. Snap the case shut and test the fob's functions, like lock, unlock, and the panic button. If it's unresponsive, you may need to reprogram it via your vehicle. Always wear gloves to avoid transferring oils or fingerprints to the battery. Work on a clean surface to prevent contamination. If your fob has a transponder chip, be careful not to misalign it, as this can require reprogramming. Some newer fobs have glued cases. Use a hairdryer on low heat to soften the adhesive gently before prying. While DIY replacement saves money, be aware of potential warranty issues if mishandled. Battery life typically lasts 1 to 3 years. Look out for trends of smartphone connectivity and digital keys, reducing reliance on physical fobs. The future may see Lincoln all-electric models with wireless charging or solar-powered chips.